Kabayan, cappuccino ha. Oh, pare, ito si Kabayan. Ito, tropa yan eh.
Napapanood ko lagi sa Facebook Live nyo, sir eh.
Ayan ha. Tropa natin yan. Yung cappuccino.
Medium sugar, sir?
Medium. Magkano?
12 na lang, sir.
Okay. Yan ang tropa natin dito. Okay, pare. Ayos yan.
Yung mga rap mo, sir.
Oo. Mag-rap pa rin tayo, tropa. Iano natin yan.
Sir.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello, Pilipinas. Check mic. Coach Juan in the house.
Manatip, hindi siya. Ayan. Kaso makapag-try
So
siya.
many faces,
Ay, di pa
so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, but others love. Some live alone with no better health. Others live, while others curse. And others move behind the big black curtain. Some are pure, and some are heartbreak. Some are sober, and some are wasted.
Initan yata ang wala.
Some are rich because of faith.
Ay, may initan
And some are moving to a further place. Some stand out, while others blend. Some are fat and stout, while some are thin. Some are friends and some are foes. Some have some, while some have more.
Oh, yeah! Take down!
Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slow. Take a look and the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it real. In this kaleidoscope. Some are brave and some are few. Others lie while some tell the truth. Some say bones and some are thin. Others sing through their guitars free. Some ignore while some are dumb. Let the bass drum to the bang of the drum.
Oh yeah!
Some can swim while some will sing.
Coach
And some will find their mind and think. Others walk where others run.
Coach Juan in the house!
Never done. Some are hurt and start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why.
Yee!
Some are friends and some are foes. Some have some, but some have more.
Oh yeah! Take this out, Coach Juan in the house!
Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slow. Take a look and the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it real. In this kaleidoscope world.
Yee!
Kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. Alright, Coach Juan in the house.
Yee!
Baksakan pare, kakantay na baksakan. Next natin, baksakan.
Tayo mo na.
Tayo. Yan is, kayo po na nakaupo. Subihan nyo na magtubayo. Baka